There are only two types of people in this world, and you better recognize if you're a hunter or a farmer from the get-go, or you're gonna waste a lot of your time. Farmers are the people that go around, build relationships, and cultivate their relationships over time, so when they need to call on those relationships, they can cash those chips. Hunters, on the flip side, only go on a hunt for a short period of time so they can generate as much traction as they possibly can for whatever they need at that particular moment. Diane recently asked me, what was your biggest failure and what would you have done differently? Diane, my biggest failure was that I was reading a lot of books about hunting. I was going to a lot of seminars about how to become more of a salesperson. How do I approach people when I need to, and so on and so forth. And I realized way later that's not who I am. Today, my biggest successes have been because I was doing favors for other people for a long time without expecting anything in return. And at some point, they turned around and said, you know what? You're a great person. You've done so much for us. Here's an opportunity. We feel like we owe you one, right? And that's my biggest strategy. That's what I feel most comfortable with, and I suggest you try it too. Try farming. Leave a comment below. Let me know how it works for you. And also let me know if you're a hunter too.